and welcome to my crochet channel. My name is Olga. I create crochet video tutorials which I share here on my channel. I also have an Etsy shop where I sell my crochet designs. You can also find me on Ravelry and Instagram. If you enjoy my video tutorials and would like to see more of them in the future, please support my channel by subscribing, giving my videos likes, leaving me comments. All of these things really help my channel to grow. And today I would like to share with you this simple lacy stitch that you can use to make a scarf, a shawl, a wrap, a baby blanket, a summer top. There are so many possibilities. The skill level for this stitch is beginner. There are only 2 repeating rows, which are quite easy to remember. To demonstrate this stitch, I will be using soft yarn by Lion brand, which is a category 4 acrylic yarn, and a hook size H 5 millimeters. The multiple for this stitch is 8 plus 5, and I start with 45 chains. 1, 2, 3. Here I have 45 chains and I'm ready to start my first row. Into the second chain from the hook I make a single crochet. We never count the chain on the hook, we always start counting from the next chain. 1, 2. So over here I make a single crochet. Next 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Now I skip 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and into the next chain I make a single crochet. Now again 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. I skip 3 chains and make a single crochet into the next chain. And that's how I'm going to crochet until the end of this row. And at the end of this row I ended with a single crochet into the very last chain. Now 3 chains and turn, and I'm ready to start my second row. Into the next chain 3 space over here I work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Next 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and into the next chain 3 space I work a single crochet. Now again 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and the pattern begins to repeat from here. Into the next chain 3 space I work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Now again I work 3 chains, a single crochet into the next chain 3 space, and 3 chains again. And that's how I continue crocheting. Into the next chain 3 space I will work 3 double crochets again. And at the end of the row, into the last chain 3 space, again I work 3 double crochets. And I finish this row with a double crochet into the last single crochet. And my second row is finished. I start the next row with 1 chain and turn, and into the very first double crochet I make a single crochet. Next 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to skip the next 3 double crochets, and into the next chain 3 space I work a single crochet. Now again 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. I skip the next single crochet, and into the next chain 3 space I work a single crochet. Now again 3 chains. The pattern is repeating. I skip 3 double crochets and make a single crochet into the next chain space. Again 3 chains and a single crochet into the next chain space, 3 chains, skip the double crochets and a single crochet into the next chain space, and so on. So basically this row is just a row of chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet. And I end this row with 3 chains and a single crochet in top of the turning chain 3. And row 3 is finished. Now 3 chains and turn. And from this point, all I need to do is to repeat row 2 and 3 for the pattern. I'm working on creating a scarf, so here I work the pattern several times, and you can see how beautiful this stitch looks. I hope you enjoyed my video tutorial. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next one.